What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today we are doing a really bold, dark eye look. I actually saw this eye look on Bella Hadid, and I just want to try to recreate it and see how it comes out. I'm going to be using our Tarteist Pro Remix palette to do this look. We're going to start out with the deepest shade in here called Graphic. Now I'm just going to pick up the shade with an angled liner brush. It's this beautiful shimmery black and plum color, and it's just perfect for this look we're going to create. Since this eye look requires a long tail, I'm going to start from the tip of it, working my way inward. Alright, now that we've kind of outlined the shape of this, we're going to take a pencil brush and we're going to go in and fill it in with that same exact shade, completely matte it out, and don't worry about messing up because we've got Shape Tape Contour Concealer to help us. Now taking a liner brush, we're just going to go in right to that inner corner and really create a nice sharp tip. Alright, now I'm going to use our Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Fair along with a flat, dense brush to go in, sharpen, and clean up our edges. I wasn't able to create as nice of an inner point on this eye, so I'm going to go in with the Shape Tape and just clean it up and really give it a nice sharp tip. Whenever you're creating a crisp eye look like this, I always recommend using Shape Tape Concealer because you can really get in there and sharpen the edges up because this baby is full coverage and it just sweeps across the skin. And you're seeing there's no dragging, no pulling, and it's not even pulling the shadow with it. It's just cleaning it up and giving it a nice, smooth edge. I think this came out really good. I didn't know how well it would go on, but I think it went on really nice. This shadow is awesome. There was hardly any fallout. It didn't need a lot of cleanup. I just used some Shape Tape to help sharpen and crisp out this line. And look at that, they look really even. They're really fun, really shimmery. This was just like a really fun shade to do this with, but you can do this look with any of the shades from our Tarteist Remix palette. I might have to try it with the teal shade next, but I love this. This is a really fun, dramatic eye, but I need to add some color back into my cheeks a little bit, so I'm just picking up a little bit of color from our Tarteist Glow and Blush palette just to add a little bit more warmth and dimension back in my cheeks. Not a lot, just a little. I kind of Shape Taped some of it away. That Shape Tape just gave this gorgeous highlight under my eye. Look how good that looks. Ooh. And this eye look with the Shape Tape, everything, it just looks like it lifted my face. I like this a lot. And we didn't even do lashes. I already had some mascara on and I just worked right around it. And look how easy this was to do. You guys can do this too at home. Do any fun shade you want. Let me know if you want to see me do another kind of crazy, intricate look like this with another shade from our Tarteist Remix palette. And let me know what shade that is in the comment section below because I want to keep playing. I'm obsessed. Like my cheekbones just look radiant. Is this how Bella Hadid does it? Is this why she looks so like sculpted and lifted? I really like this a lot. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I've just been dying to try and recreate this look with our Tarteist Remix palette, and I could not have done it without our Shape Tape Contour Concealer. So, alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, mwah! Take care, tartlets.